today we have another very fantastic superstar. He is one of the contestants of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show Season 5. He emerged as one of the people that was selected for consolation prizes, and we are so excited to have him today in the studio. And ladies and gentlemen, with no much ado, I want you to meet him. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the studio. Tell us about yourself. What's your name?
First off, I go by the name D to the O to the U to the B L E G E E. They call me DOUBLEGEE, Africa's number one mic burner. That's my name.
All right. That's quite a long one. All right, but that was him spelling out his name and telling us, his name at the end of the day. So, DOUBLEGEE, right?
Yeah, sure.
DOUBLEGEE, you're welcome to Elegant Empire.
Thank you.
This is our studio office, and then we are super excited to have you today.
Same here.
All right. So, what's this artistry about your name, DOUBLEGEE?
Okay. My birth name, as my school name, is God's Generation. God's Generation. So the first G and the second G, the G in God, the G in Generation, brings what's our name, DOUBLEGEE.
Wow.
That's 2G.
Well, so you coined out DOUBLEGEE for that. That's great. That's super nice. All right. So, what was your experience contesting in the AFROMUSIC Talent Show?
Okay. It was a heavy one. I don't know if I'm using the right word. Heavy in the sense that I've been to several competitions. So many of them, because I do like competing so much. That's how I get to know how good I am. Because meeting with other artists, you get to see that you still have a long way to go, right? So do you see more business tomorrow. So talking about AFROMUSIC Season 5, I think it was kind of different to some extent because it was actually my first time competing online and Lagos was everybody knows me, so we don't know I felt like I was advancing. There's one belief that each time you make an announcement, it's over. There is always bound to be some element of fear, and nobody's way away from it because you don't know what you feel like if you don't just quite something like much about someone before that.
Okay. He is sharing his experience while contesting, and that was a very challenging one for him, and also for him to contest all the way from his base here to Lagos, shooting his shot all the way to do a competition in Lagos was some sort of an encouragement to you, right?
Sure.
Yeah, to also show that you have the ability to push yourself to the limelight. Yeah. And I want to tell you that this is not going to be a thing of a regret to you. And thank God that you pushed yourself this far. I mean, it's not easy to have gotten this far. All right. So welcome to Elegant Empire, and welcome. We are super excited that you were successfully selected after all odds. All right. So the competition was over, and then you were not announced the winner. How did you feel when you saw that you did not win?
Well, I think the feeling is always fun, but it only takes somebody who has this understanding of the word reality to sell through. Normally, anybody who doesn't succeed should trust or is doing that. The natural feeling is always bad feeling, but sometimes trying to equate why he or she engaged in the first place. But mine was kind of different because I think in my career I've come to some extent. I put everything like 50-50. I really believe in the philosophy of God. The Bible says that everything turns off. I don't have to be the winner to make a big name. So summary, me not being announced as the first of my career. Sorry, that's what was meant to be. But I always believe the best thing overall is just for me to keep going because
beautiful one. Double G told us that you don't have to be the winner to make waves. You don't have to be the winner to actually take yourself to the highest level in life. Somebody will always win. I mean, you just have to keep going and keep pushing and keep being productive with yourself. Take the steps every day and keep taking yourself to greater heights, which of course he has actually shown during the process of this competition. All right, so Double G, how long have you done music professionally?
Professionally, I think the question is in some other way, I think it's going to be when you
Yes, because all along, if I tell you how long have you done music in general, you might have been doing music from birth. I mean, from when you were a baby, but that's like not professionally.
Yeah, I know. So talking about myself, when I started music, professionally, when I dropped my first track, that was on way back. That was during my entry level in university. Precisely 2017, 2018.
Okay.
So that was, I guess, really one of the songs which I actually featured my friends, my rapper, and indigenous rapper, precisely, my parents. So that was my first track and when I started production in 2017.
Okay, that's beautiful. Okay, so where do you see yourself in 5 years from now? Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
You know, 5 years from now, that's a very long number. Even 1 year from now is something very. So we're talking about 5 years from now. The plan God for us is not a good, right?
Definitely.
So I think 5 years from now, I should be somebody. Double G, my name should be a household name that everybody wants to bear. You know, just like CEO now, everybody's trying to answer CEO now because of his potentials and what he's able to do. Trying to answer Messi because of who he is. So I think in 5 years from now, I look straight up to that kind of height. Just that I am Africa, not Nigeria. So that's my.
All right, awesome. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, that's a big one from Double G. All right, so what's your expectation now? You're a part of the management of Elegant Empire. You are under management, and we are going to do a lot for your career right now. So what are you expecting from us?
Man, I feel I'm the most happy. I'm like the happiest person in the world right now. I used to tell myself that if there is anybody who could see what I have and try to invest in me, I'm the person who is the best. So if I could have anybody who just try to invest in me, then I assure that person 100%. There is nothing much in having myself in Elegant Empire and everything I'm seeing right here. I might not really know the prices of musical stores and what I'm seeing here. I think I just know what I'm seeing. So if I can have way back in a Bible, be your precisely where most of my work is. Not as if we don't have good engineers, we do. But aside from the money we pay, you know, that's one problem every street guy has. So aside from the money, the engineers do try, but I can't compare. I'm not as I'm trying to bring down my hometown. I'm very proud of where I come from, but I just have to face reality. So I can't compare my go to Lagos. So my expectation from Elegant Empire, right? I just recall something. I think we almost had a clash. But I so much commend you for the maturity you brought in online when we had a chat. I was scared because it's not really easy for someone like me to survive. I just have to be very real. But in as much as I've always wanted to see myself where I wanted to be, I just gave it a try. I was like, let me give it a try. No matter what happens, I know what I want to do.
relax.
Relax. It's too much relaxed. So elegant is not. It's not like elegant is not scam. It's not scam. So in as much as you guys are not scammers, I think you have the best one. You know, you think you know what it takes to pop me out to go back. Leave again after the best. And if you don't, then I can give 100%.
Alright. So more than 100% we are expecting from Double G, as he is expecting us to help elevate him and give him that solid foundation he has to stand on and let you all see his potential. Because having the talent is really not enough. You have to have way to stand on, the platform to stand on, so people all over the world can see you. He has the potentials, and according to him, he needs that professionalism, that quality, that standard. So when he drops anything, he drops any track he drops, it should be a bomb, and it should stand the test of time in the global markets. And I would assure you that Elegant Empire Music will give you even more than your expectation. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it was nice having Double G in the building. Before we say and call it a day, I want you to say your last word to your fans, viewers, people watching you all over the world, all the people that voted for you, all the people that supported you. They would like for you to say something to them.
Okay, this is my last word. Maybe it's gonna die one time.
For now.
For now.
Yes.
My last word for now. There are so much things I would love to say, but I was just trying to go summary. I used to tell people I'm a living testimony when it comes to entertainment, music, and rap precisely. I know what I've been through. I even had this push. I even had this courage or encouragement from my family. Definitely, I think I would have been somewhere very high to be born. Despite all the challenges I faced, I was believe there's no success without a challenge. So I tried everything I could, even when I was very young. My 100 level, even before my 100 level, I started doing the music thing. I said I didn't even do that thing. So the pressure from my dad was so heavy. Most of African parents, they're like, I don't want you to do music. This is what I want you to do. My dad actually stopped paying my school fees in my 200 level semester. I don't really want to go deep down, but I think you should understand the rest of the story. I started hustling on my own. I never wanted to be a school dropout, and I never wanted to be a music dropout. I don't even know. So I pushed myself to finishing school, and I still see myself doing the music thing. It's a very, sometimes I just turn back and look at myself and I'm like, congratulations, DOUBLEGEE, you're a really great guy. So what I'm trying to say in summary is that don't give up. That's the word, focus. You know, get where you touch, anything where you be like, if you stumbling block to the challenge, you will definitely go down as long as you know people. And even while I came here, I never knew anybody in Lagos. I was like, when I got info, I tried my best to see if I could just touch anybody I know, but definitely it didn't work out. So I was like, let me just come to Lagos. It doesn't mean in as much as I arrive here, in as much as I get to the city of Lagos, I don't mind taking it back just to make sure I be here today. So like I said, focus is just the right way. If you are focused, don't get away. Definitely, there's no worry without challenge. So just stay focused. Once again, my name is D to the world, to the I call me DOUBLEGEE, because you already know I've got some of my. Shout out to my little going to microphone to any point in prayer. Stick it out there.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's Double G in the building, and he's signing out. And I am also signing out. My name is Elegant Empire. I am the MD and CEO of Elegant Empire Music and Films. I am also the project director of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show. Alright, so look out for lots more from us. Look out for the revelation of all of these talents that we are already having in the building today, and more are coming. Thank you very much, viewers all over the world, for staying with us till this time of the day. And we say peace out and have a nice time.